Welcome back everyone to Photography by Harrison, and currently it is 16 degrees, snow is falling, we have a wind chill of 5 degrees. You know what that means? That means it's a perfect time to come outside with me and walk around the neighborhood and take some pictures. So with that being said, I will see you on the other side. But before I do any walking around, I'm about to clean off my back steps. As you can see, I've started on my little pathway and I got my rock sock down, but I have been told that rock sock doesn't work that well under 22 degrees, so I'll probably come out here every 2 hours, shovel some more snow. So now it's time to walk around the community. Before I head out, let's take an unofficial snow reading, and according to my ruler, it is currently right here at my house 4.5 inches. And this is my Asheboro Commercial College ruler. If you're wondering why I have an Asheboro Commercial College ruler, a little history lesson. Before I went off community college, before I was drafted by Uncle Sam, I went to Asheboro Commercial College and studied data processing, which I guess you can call it computer science now. We studied the 3 computer languages: COBOL, RPG, and Fortran. And if you was in the class with me, before me and after me, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how many times you was frustrated sitting down at the verifier trying to get your punch cards to match up. Those days, especially the punch cards, I do not miss. My neighbor's house can make a postcard scene. Last week, this tree was covered in ice, but it is definitely a lot prettier covered in snow. The swing in the background and the benches are waiting on warmer weather to be enjoyed. It doesn't take long for cars to disappear into the fog and the snow. I do not know where they are going, but this sign is pointing in the right direction. This indeed looks like a winter wonderland. It would really be cool if I could get a shot of the train in the snow. A big wide street like this would be perfect to get out and sled on. Well, that's a good thing about the snow. If you decide to go out and look at used cars today, you don't have to be worried about being bothered by any salespeople. This is also one of the few times you can stand in the middle of West Salisbury Street and don't have to worry about getting hit. This is one of my neighbors heading out, but the question is, will they be able to get back in? Now, after the end of my walk, at my house, the snow has went from 4.5 inches at the beginning of my walk to now it's 5 inches of snow. Let's make some snow cream. Well, tell me, what do you think? Tell me about your snow adventures. Leave your comments below. And of course, while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you can get all my videos. As you can see, it's getting a little bit hard for me to talk because the temperature now has dropped down, I think, to about 15. But that's alright. When you're out in the winter wonderland, that makes it even more fun. Oh, and before I go, I say it all the time when it comes to photography, no one knows it all. And of course, the more you learn about photography, the more you learn you didn't know. And as always, I want to thank you for coming on with me on my photographic journeys. Oh, and before I forget, the camera I'm using is the Weather Sealed FC300. One of the best bargains you can get in the Wethersfield County. Now, with that being said, I'm going to go inside and get warm, and I will see you next time.